Okay, this is an attempt to show how to get your Stack C++ assignment out of GitHub into Eclipse and back again. So I'm on the repository site in GitHub. This is mine. I go to the code button, grab the HTTPS URL, go to the command line and go git clone and then the HTTPS. And my setup, I already have the SSH key, so I don't have to type in my username and password. You may have to type in your username and password. Then I go to Eclipse. Just remember, this is the C++ developers version, not the Java version. So you may need to install that to get it to work properly. Maybe not, but you may have to. Then go to create project and make file project with existing code is the one you want. And then browse to wherever we just put it. So it's stack in CPP, and I select the macOS GCC compiler and then hit finish. And then we should have a thing. Then what you've got to do is you have to build the project. Okay, if you hit build project, you should see make all and all of these things happening, right? It's generating all of the .o files for stack populate test to start with, and then all of the O files for loads of data test, and finally the lots of pushing and popping exe file. Now, with any luck, you should be able to run it. Okay, and then you can just type 1, 2, 3 end, and that works. If it doesn't run when you do that, what you need to do is you need to give it the C++ application, right? And that's going to be one of the .exe files in your project that appear after you build it. Okay? Then what you should be able to do, and I've already made my stack implementation, right? And there's my constructor. What I should then be able to do is go to right click on the project, go to team, commit, and it should give me all the changes. And I haven't staged those changes. My stack and .project. The commit message is test of Eclipse development. I just added a blank line and then hit commit and push, and what you should see is it going up to GitHub. And if we go back to GitHub, we should, and refresh that page, we should see that I did that, and we should see that my actions tab starts a new build, and the new build is green.